Check this out, you guys. This squirrel every day knocks on the door. My cat hangs out with the squirrel through the glass, otherwise he'd probably attack it. But this squirrel, we feed peanuts, and she's looking pretty hungry, so every day you hear a ding 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 and she knocks on the glass for food. So let me see if I can get some footage of me feeding her. Hi, are you hungry? Yeah, I'll feed you. So we get these bulk peanuts that are unsalted, and she loves them. Hi, I'm coming. Hey, little one. Are you hungry? Here, I know. There you go. Hi. Usually just put some peanuts in here. Got to be careful though, because they tend to slide down the apple tree. But yeah, she'll come and she'll eat these. Yeah, are those good? So hot here in California too that I'll even see this squirrel sometimes laying on the deck, just totally parched. So we give them water too. But yeah, you've been coming here for months, haven't you? Yep. What's up, little one? Is that a good peanut? Yeah, you're still not done, huh? Hi. One more? Come on. Come on, squirrel. Don't worry. Sometimes she's a little skittish. There you go.